songs that leave me feeling various ways. Some make me wonder what they're trying to say.
Others move me and stir me, or they leave my heart cold.
But I need a song that blesses my soul. I love the songs of Jesus, mercy and grace, and it touches me more if it shines on your face. Use the words of salvation, the story so old. Just sing me a song that blesses my soul. A song about Jesus can turn me around. Lift all your burdens, give you smiles for your frowns.
And it doesn't matter if it's new or it's old.
Just so